Hello everybody. Hey, what do you think of my White Rabbit? He's the second in my series of Alice in Wonderland mosaics, very much inspired by the original illustrations by Sir John Tenniel. And I was particularly pleased with this because his head and ruff are one piece. When you see it in real life, there's a real dip here and you can sense that his head is sitting on the ruff. When it first came out of the kiln, I thought there's not enough contrast and I would have to take it off and put a light grey here. But then I realised that that's a joke. He's the white rabbit with the white ruff, and I think it works really well. Look at this parchment, the way I've made it able to go round, and there's a stringer here to suggest the scrolling. Best of all though, I think, is the use of the gold leaf behind mosaics, behind the hearts, just in vertical lines going down, and I think that's what gives it its regal look. The background mosaic is a simple opus vermiculatum, a worm all the way round, delineating him, and after that we've just got a sort of windshield wiper background, keeping it simple really. And I think it's a very successful piece, and I hope you do too.